So let's start with the training now and with the treatment itself. First of all, you have to prepare your colors. When your color is resting a little bit and is prepared, you are preparing your customer and preparing the symmetry of the eyebrows. As we all know, the eyebrows are not some twins, they are like sisters. But still, we do want to produce most symmetric outcome of the eyebrows, and therefore we have some regulations. Of course, you should always take all the mimics of the customers and the structure of the own face. As you see on my own face, I am just always do something with my forehead and flip always one eyebrow up. This is normal and this is just almost with every customer, and you should take this in consideration. To measure the eyebrows, we have some tools and we do it like this. First of all, we have 3 points to measure and find out the perfect measurement of your eyebrows. And this will be the inner corner of your eyebrows, the outer corner of the eyebrows, and the highest point, the arc of the eyebrows. We dividing the eyebrow in this case after the golden rotation, after the golden rule, which will be actually 1/3 and 2/3 in collaboration, which I show you now. So this you are doing as well on the other side in the same symmetrics. And now we just need the same height of the eyebrows. They have to start in the same height and end in the same height. And this is often for new people, for new students, a big point to train. So if you don't have a lot of experience, you should train this a little bit with your customers and maybe order you some models. You should take in consideration that you start with your eyebrows in the same height on the head of the eyebrows, that it is the same deepness of the eyebrows. You make them in the same thickness, so they are having here the same height, and also the arc of the eyebrows. You do it in the same height, so both of the eyebrows will have the same symmetrics. And these are the points you will have to watch out. Brow Tycoon is applying you with a very nice tool. This is this floss which is already colored, and this enables you to measure the heights of the eyebrows perfectly in all 3 parts. And with this little application you can cut it easy and you don't need 2 hands for it and can do it on the customer very easy and neat. If you measured out all these key points now on the customer's face, then you can connect the different points and make already the frame of the eyebrows. In the first step, I would like you to make some little dots instead of a full framed slash. Your customer is getting now only the frame of the eyebrow, so don't be afraid to just make really clear, symmetric, straight lines instead of round, bowed eyebrow lines. This one you cannot so good transmit onto the other side of the eyebrow, so you will get less symmetric. If you do straight geometrical slashes, then you will be more symmetrically because our eye can transmit it better onto the other side. If you want to have the round bowed eyebrows on different edges, you can do it after you transmitted it from one to the other side, like this. And so it will be also very good for your customer and better to see. Make him clear that this will be only the lines for you to have an orientation when you work.